Okay, prima donnas, so we are on our way to the Juvias studios, which is actually in New Jersey. If you guys do not know, I'm from the Bronx, so I do have a pretty long drive. It's about 45 minutes to an hour, so I do have time to kind of like relax and like try to get my anxiety under control, because you guys know, like, I'm so used to filming content in my room that this is so different for me that my hands are sweaty. Okay, hold on. So yeah, y'all already know that I always film in the comfort of my home. I've been doing that for years since I started my channel. So this is literally like the first time that I'm getting filmed by somebody else, or even just working with a brand in person like this, because I do a lot of sponsored posts and a lot of the creation is always made in my house. So this is very, very different. It's also like overwhelming to see that I made it to this point, because like I said, like, there's so many times that I wanted to quit, y'all, like, not even to get emotional, but I still can't even believe that like they chose little old me to go film at Juvia's place. Like, I can't even believe it. Like, even when I seen the email, I was like, bitch, what? Me? Stop playing with me. But I'm mad happy. Like, I couldn't be more grateful and more thankful enough for you guys, because without y'all, this would not be possible. I keep feeling like I'm like getting choked up, because like I said, from this morning, y'all, I've been super emotional. I had to call my mom because she had to say some words into my head, give me my affirmation, so I could actually go over there and feel confident in myself. Because like I said, you guys know, I'm an overthinker, y'all, and I suffer from really, really bad anxiety. So like, if you don't know, anxiety is kind of like having a little voice in your head telling you that you're not enough, you're never gonna make it in life, this is a stupid idea, this is a waste of time, and you struggle to not listen to that voice. That's pretty much having anxiety. And 9 times out of 10, I have to literally fight against the bitch and tell her, no, not today, anxiety, you're not gonna bother me, because I am enough, and I am worthy, and I know that this is my calling, and I've worked my ass off to get to this point. If you guys know, if y'all been a subscriber for me for a while, you know that doing content is nothing new to me. It all started as something just fun and a way to not feel so lonely in my house with creating videos. So the fact that, look at where it took us, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, just like a little background of my story, I used to work at Sephora and at Mac, and I don't know, where I'm from, this stuff like this just doesn't happen to us. So yeah, I'm on my way, super anxious, got my iced coffee in the car, had to take it to go because y'all know me, I'm always like down to the last minute. We are actually right by Yankee Stadium, and if y'all from the Bronx, y'all already know this is like a fucking landmark for us. This is like a landmark. This is my dad's favorite baseball team, literally always in this area thanks to my pops. It's always super like hectic and crazy around here. I love it. Super Bronx shit. I live. But yeah, I keep looking at the GPS and I'm just like, oh my god, the time is getting shorter and shorter, and I'm like so fucking nervous. But I got this. I'm just trying to like tell myself, Leslie, you got this. You waited so long for this moment. You better enjoy every second of it. So yeah, let me just breathe, inhale, exhale. By the way, I finessed my own ponytail. I do have a tutorial on how I did my ponytail, by the way, over on my IG Reels. I'm to do all of that today, and I didn't want to be late, but anyways, I'll vlog more when we get there, or I'll have Lewis vlog when we get there. Say hi to my vlog, bro.
That's good.
Lewis be so fucking rude. Like, to him, he's like, I don't want to say hi to the camera. Bitch, it ain't a camera. It's 30,000 prima donnas, okay? No, not 30,000. 300,000 prima donnas, okay? Almost. Road to 300K, so make sure y'all bitches subscribe. But anyways, I'm out of here.
Don't
Y'all, I'm dumb nervous. I just spoke. We live. But yeah, we're doing more like a spring look. So I'm excited.
You look cheesy, babe.
I'm scared.
I know you're scared.
Get into the shorties though. Like, who is she? Alright, don't get too. They're not that cute.
I'm not a superstar. Look cute.
Well, what palette you want?
Yeah, I was just about to say.
Yeah.
So for her, like,
Yeah.
So
let's
green.
Go straight green. Yeah, because we haven't had a green look. Yeah.
Can I play with the liners from the garden?
of course.
Absolutely. Yeah. Do whatever you choose. Yeah. Just make it green. Make it real.
Nice.
Do whatever you want.
Just no yellow. Yeah. No gold
And I got a
yellow.
green shirt.
Yeah. All right. So I mean, you can come on over and do you have a kit already of yours? Like like your own like brushes or something that you can choose?
No, I did bring like little essentials, like my little eyeliners and stuff, but I didn't bring.
Oh, you didn't bring like brushes?
Okay, so do we need to get her a set of brushes?
Yeah, we gotta get her.
What else?
We have some brows over there. Well, it seemed like you did your brows, so they're good. Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Oh, have some.
Don't be in a rush, just take your time.
Hours later.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Just I just want a rough neck, rough neck, rough neck, rough neck, want a rough neck, rough neck, rough neck, on the top. You just want this rough neck, rough neck, rough neck, rough neck. I just want a rough neck, rough neck. Run a man, I don't know no other man. Give me peso, give me peso, I don't know no other man. Give me peso, don't play with it, give me peso, give me peso. Give me peso, run a man, I don't know no other man. I just wanna walk, 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 wanna walk. I just wanna walk, wanna walk, wanna walk, wanna walk, wanna walk, wanna walk. Play with it, 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 play with it. Give me best.
The way you see it. Yeah, because that was the dual comb. I was just layering. Okay, y'all. Why I fucking ate? I ate. Do you see my whole mood different from when I was in the beginning? Mad scary. But y'all, the prima donna came out. Y'all already know they had me use my favorite shade, green. Because who better to do green than your girl? All right, let me stop. My ear cuff just fell. Okay. Like a week or two?
No, it's next week.
Or St. Patrick's Day is next week, so they wanted me to do a St. Patty's look. Okay, because y'all already know I live for green, so this is kind of like the eyeshadow moment. Yeah. I actually used the Culture palette. And yeah, Juvia's Place is actually coming out with a new launch. I can't talk about it, but I got to use it today. And y'all going to gag. Like, it's the secrecy for me. The highlight, the lip combo, it's all giving. I was gonna do a gloss, but to be honest, I did use some of the duochrome shadows on my eyes, and I kind of wanted that to stick to the focal point because I felt like it was already a lot right here. You know what I'm saying? Then I got a green shirt. I felt like the gloss was just overdoing it, you know? But yeah. Then they gave me these giant, beautiful earrings, you guys. I felt so like the tribe, so Juvias, like, I literally just lived my Juvia's dream right now. And literally, like, Carol, which is the person that I work with in Juvia's, so my manager that I work with from Juvia's, yeah, she is, I actually got to meet her today for the first time after talking to her in email for months, and she was so amazing. I feel like that's my family. Like, the way she was just so heartwarming is like she knew Autumn, she knew everything about me, like she done stalked me down to the T. So I was just like, I love this, and she literally gave me words of encouragement because I felt like she knew that I was nervous when I came in. And she was like, Leslie, to be honest, we wouldn't even considered bringing you here if we didn't think that you're not gonna, like, you're about to blow up. You're about to be a big deal. And we know that. And I'm like, I was about to cry, but. So yeah, I feel amazing, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. Just driving my anxiety through the roof for like the past week. And I did not want to tell nobody because I'm the type of person that I don't like people to block my blessings. Because I'm not gonna lie, yo, I be having a lot of haters, okay? There's a lot of people that don't be wanting to see Lesleymarie do her thing. Okay, so that's why more than ever, I turn to my prima donnas because I don't really sometimes have much of a support system. So yeah, just wanted to say that I feel amazing. And again, thank you guys so much for making this happen for me. And Lewis came with this green shirt and I was like, why would you get green? And yo, thankfully that he did grab the green shirt, because the fact that they made me do a St. Patty's look and it was just perfect. The fact that I had this extra shirt and it just gave Buttercup bad bitch, period. Now we're gonna go get food, right? Because I haven't eaten all day. I've been so excited that I haven't even bothered to have any type of an appetite. So
Now I have enough.
juicy platters easily. If y'all from Jersey and y'all never had juicy platters, when I used to live in Jersey, this used to be my shit. So it's lit. We about to grub. You know what's crazy? Because literally like 5 minutes ago, Autumn's teacher just called me because Autumn had parent-teacher conference today. So literally going from work mode right back into mom mode within minutes because I had to do parent-teacher conference is crazy. But yeah. Oh, that one's mine? Yeah, because I get mixed. So yeah, let me show you how juicy this is. Oh, wait. Oh, man. Can you do that tomorrow? Oh, yeah.
Wait, hold on. We got one more.
This looks so good. Wow. Look at me vlogging. And there's people here too looking at me like, this crazy girl on camera eating. With this green makeup eyeshadow. Oh wow. Shit. Yes. I haven't had this in that long.
You alright? Serotonin boost.
You always gotta mix it. Can't take Lewis nowhere. Do you mix your food?
I mix it.
I just said that. I'm asking them. Are y'all like a food mixer, or are y'all like me, where like I like to put a little bit on my fork or eat everything one by one? Nah, this is really busting. My dad would be tight right now. You had juicy platter, didn't bring me none? Sure did. Let me enjoy my food, y'all, because I haven't eaten all day. And I'll catch y'all. Tribe, I'm here today to do a St. Patty's look at Juvia's place. I can't even believe I am here, you guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day.